Hi guys, DalanaB here and welcome back to my channel. Today I am coming at you guys with my drugstore foundation routine for the fall. In this video I am using all drugstore products and all affordable products just because every day, you know, you don't need to use your most expensive products. So I just wanted to come and show you guys what I use every day for a drugstore beat. Now I will say that the look looks okay. I'm not 100% happy with it, but it is what it is. But yeah, let me stop rambling. Let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. This will just be the face. The eye is on a totally different video, so which has already been uploaded, and you should see it scrolling somewhere here. It was on the Hocus Pocus palette that Colourpop released. But yeah guys, let's just go ahead and jump right into this video. Alright babe, so this is the completed look. I went ahead and threw on some lashes, finished up my eye. It may look a little crazy because I used the new eyeshadow palette. I did use the Colourpop times Hocus Pocus Gather Round Sisters Nude collection and collaboration that they dropped. So if you guys are interested in what I thought about this palette as well as this eye look and how I achieved it and everything, then please go ahead and watch that video. It was uploaded before this one, so go ahead and check that out. On the lips I have MAC's Night Moth. No, I lied. On the lips I have MAC's Cork and then just the Crayon Case Clean Kisses. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and give you guys my drugstore foundation routine. Now, I will say I do not like the foundation. I never have, but I'm using it because I have to use it. But I do not like the finish of it. I feel like you have to use way too much product. The foundation is buildable, but not full coverage. I don't like that. I also had to mix 2 different colors to kind of get my color. But as you guys can see, I have some swatches on my hand because I swatched everything. I'm batching today. I'm filming in batches. But yeah, guys, this is my everyday drugstore foundation routine. Now, I will come back and do more of these using different products because I do use different products depending on, you know, how I'm feeling. And today I just wanted to use the Maybelline foundation because I'm trying to get rid of it. Also, I kept this the way it was because in the last video, I explained why I did it like that. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. You made it this far, may as well subscribe. Also, follow me on social media. I can be found at DalanaB_ on Instagram as well as DalanaB on Facebook. I have other videos coming for you guys, so just be on the lookout for those. I also, like I said, I don't know if I said, I should have said, if I didn't say, I dropped a video on my Puerto Rico birthday trip that I took this past weekend. So if you guys would like to see what I did in Puerto Rico, go ahead and check that video out and any other videos that you missed that I may have uploaded. So yeah, guys, let me stop rambling and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.